Welcome back to the apartment maintenance channel. Today I want to share with you two tools I recently purchased. The first one is the Klein Tools 7-in-1 impact flip socket set with handle, and the other is the Klein Tools flip impact socket set. You get 10 sizes in 5 different sockets, and then you got your 2 adapters, and it's SAE, which is standard. So we'll go ahead and get these opened up and check them out. Because first we'll start off here with the flip impact socket set. There's a picture of all your sockets and your 2 adapters. So let's get this opened up and we'll check it out. So you get a nice little case, nice hard sturdy plastic. Oop, got a bit down here, man down. Alright, we got our 2 adapters and all our sockets. We got the 7/8, 15/16. These are 3/4, 13/16, and these are really nice sockets too. Definitely like them. 5/8. 11/16. And here we got the 1/2 inch and our 9/16. And the last one, which would be our 3/8, 7/16. Not bad. And here's our 2 adapters. Looks like this one here would go in your regular impact driver, and this one here looks like a 1/2 inch. Test it out on the old DeWalt. So it looks like your 1/2 inch adapter will work on the 2 larger ones right here. Well, technically 4, but then your smaller 1/4 inch adapter right here, this guy here will work on the last 3 sockets here. So let's see how that is. There it is. I don't have my other drill. Actually, yes, I do. Don't have my impact, that's what I meant. So here's the drill. Pretty nice. So this would be a nice kit here. Anything you need some power, or even working on the golf carts or whatever. Nice impact rated kit. 2 adapters, nice little case. And I believe this was 50 bucks. I have to double check, but what I'll do is I'll link both the impact set and the 7-in-1 flip socket set there down in the description below from Amazon, and you can pick up any of these Klein tools or any other tools you want. Alright, now we'll go to this 7-in-1 impact socket set. Most of you probably have seen this. It's been out for a little while. I've seen it, but finally grabbed it. Seven in one, nice handle. And what's nice about this, all your sockets can just stay on here for storage. You can put this in a drill too. Take off, you know, whatever you need to if you need to get into a tight spot, or leave them on. Doesn't take up much room in the tool bag. It's a nice little kit. Got your quarter, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, and 1/2 inch. Very nice. So these would be very nice to use and come in handy. Probably be using them here real soon. About to go on a couple work orders. So that's about it. Got the 7-in-1 impact flip socket, and we got the flip impact socket set. Alright, I'll link these down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.